Hello everyone, welcome once again. This video will show you how to design flyers, simple flyers from the Canva app. All right, so we are digging in. This is usual one for once again, your online business coach, sales strategist, and an expert affiliate marketer. All right, let's dig in. You go to your Canva app. That's using your Canva app to design simple flyers in your phone. If you look down, you will see choose from over 50,000 free templates, right? All right, so we are here. Now, the first thing to do is to see this plus button here at the bottom corner, this button here. So that's the button you use to open a new page, right? You use to open a new page. So you tap on it. So it will give you different types of page, different type of things you want to design. So for instance, you want to design a mobile video, that's the first one. You want to design a mobile video, that's the first one. You want to design an Instagram post, that's the second one here. You want to design your story, your Facebook story, right? Then we have Facebook post. Now you also have this Facebook cover photo, right? Look at it here. Look at it here, this one. So they are different. Now this is for the YouTube thumbnail. So if you tap on any of these, it will bring out the size of that particular platform, right? So the normal one we use for majority of the flyers you see online is Instagram post. This one here. So that's the one we use. So that's what we'll be working with in this program. All right. So it's going to open now. Blank page, right? A blank page will open. All right. So I want. Okay, let me just take one template. And let's work with that one template. So all the sizes here. For instance, you want to design a simple welcome to my page flyer, or should we use this burger stuff? All right, let's use this pizza, delicious pizza. So when you come, all right, so if you see at the background, you see the Canva logo. So some of the what's it called, the templates you have to pay money. So to remove that Canva logo at the background, you need to pay them 830 naira to buy credits, right? But let's just go ahead with the design. So this is on. You can add as many templates as possible, right? You can add as many templates, but this one is on the background of the white sheet you choose. This one I've taken the background now. All right, so you can still delete this. All right, you can still delete that. I want to delete everything here. So let's delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. 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 You can begin to add anything you want to come up with what you want. So let's design a simple let's just design a simple flyer. My interest is to show you how to use the tools. So we want to add something. So let's go to elements. All right. So in this element we have shapes, we have circle, square, lines. So let's use square. Let's use square. All right. So now this is square. All right, this is square, and you can change it to any shape, rectangle. You can reduce it, you can enlarge it, you can change the color here. So you can come here, choose any color for it, right? Then you can adjust the color balance. If the color you're looking for is not here, just choose a color that is close to that one. All right, let's say you're looking for very light green. So you choose green, you come here and move this thing to near the white side so that you get very light green, right? So you have changed that. So now you have inserted this. Now all these lines you are seeing, look at this thing. You are seeing a line at the middle and a box line. Those lines are helping you to put this thing at the middle, right? Middle of this page. For instance, you want to adjust by inch. For instance, you cannot, let me say you are trying to bring this thing here and the thing is not working. You want to bring it just an inch more and the thing is either too fast or too slow. All you have to do is to go down here, go to nudge, use the nudge, the nudge command. So when you go up, it can move in inches. You can go sideways, it will be moving in inches. So you can adjust anything you want to adjust. All right. So that's for nudge. What else? Let's say you want to insert your picture. So you come down here to gallery. All right. you want to insert a picture to that stuff. So I want to insert my own picture. Okay, let's insert this. Add to page. Are you seeing that? So you can adjust the picture so that it will appear clearly. All right, so let's say you just want to put that here. You just want to make this like this. All right, so you want to write something, you want to add text to this stuff, right? So you put this, you go here, you see text. Now it will bring out it will bring out suggestions from text that is already in the platform. But then if you want to start afresh, you can just go here and choose a text, right? These are texts I've used recently. These are texts I can use. So let's choose Monserrati Classic. Let's choose add the heading. All right, so this is the heading. You want to add the heading. What are we going to add? Welcome to my page. So that's for text, the kind of font. So that font we are using is Open Sans Extra Bold. So you can change it to Anton, depending on what you're looking for. Horizon, you can change it to anything. Now we have straight text and italics text, right? We have different kind of text. So you can always, so let's use this for welcome header, for the header of this stuff. Let's use this for the header of this stuff. So let's put it here. So you want to now put a smaller write-up. There are two ways to do it. It's either you duplicate this and change the font, right? You can change the font here. Tap on it. That's for duplicate. Remember, I'm teaching you how to use all these tools. Welcome to my page. Then you want to change it. You want to write a smaller something, so you can come here and choose something simple like enter. Are you showing that? So you can just put where to learn sales. All right, so that's for subtitle. That's one way to put subtitle. Or you come here and say add a subheading. You see now it's smaller than the one you use. So you go to this plus sign and tap on this. Then if you want a smaller stuff, maybe you want a write-up, you want to write up a letter, or you want to give more explanation in the flyer, then you can use this smaller one. So we can say something like sales is the blood of business. Learn. So you can say learn audience identification. Learn branding. Learn. You can bring this up. So you can bring this up. So you understand? So you can enlarge this stuff like this, right? You can bring it back. So that's how people write. That's how every flyer is formed. You can change the color of text, right? Here is a font color. You can change it to any color you want, right? Delete this. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Let's change this color to blue. This, any color you want, right? So I told you how to insert picture, how to insert shapes. Let me say you want to use line. You want to insert line. You come here and you go to elements. Go to elements. That's where you see line. You tap on line. So this line has come. Then you can increase the width of the line. All right. You can increase the width of the line. All right. So let's just use this width. All right. So you can elongate it. You can shorten it. You can bend it. Anyhow you want to do it, right? But let's just use this. So let's just use this for the bottom of the flyer we are designing. So you can have something like this. You can change the color. You can change the style. You can break it. You can make it this way. 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 Anyhow you want it. Let's use this. All right. So you can change the color to anything you want. Let's change it to this. Are you seeing that? So let's say position is to move something forward or to move something backward. So let's do something now. Let's say you want to add another shape. Let's use this shape, circle. and you want to add it. Let me say I want to move this circle to the back of this picture. All I have to do is to come to position, tap on it, and I say move backward. That's enter the back, right? That enter, because this picture came to this page before the circle. All right, so you can change the picture, the color, everything you want. You can change the color to that. So your design should not have so many things, right? Should not have so many. So this is just an example of the way to use some of the tools here. Now you can replace. Look at down here. Look at down here. You can replace something on this page. Instead of deleting and going to import, just replace that thing with something else. So what are we going to replace? Let's replace this. Okay, it's like it's pictures you can replace. Only pictures. Okay, it's like only pictures you can replace. So let's try to replace this picture. Let's try to replace that picture with this. See that? Voila. So this is how this stuff works. So you can duplicate anything in this page using this duplicate button. Using the duplicate button here. So you can duplicate anything. For instance, this picture. You want to duplicate this picture. Just tap on duplicate. The picture becomes 2. If you want to duplicate this, tap on duplicate. Sorry. I touched the color. Duplicate. You can use it for fine design. You can put it under here. So this one, you can put it here. So you see what's going on here, right? You see that we're just using only 2 colors, red and blue. Black and white is a general color, so you don't count it as colors, right? So what else is important here? All right, let's save this. So, okay, let's use this one on top. Look at this, the buttons on top. Starting from your left, you have this. That is for undo. So let's say what you did now, you didn't like it. What do? Just tap undo. Okay. Just tap undo. You see that our picture has gone back. Tap undo again. It has gone back. Tap. So if you made a mistake, just tap undo. And now the front, let's say undo. The front is redo to go back to. So anybody with a knowledge of CorelDRAW must have this. This will not be difficult for you. Then, what else? This arrow on top here by the right. This one is for save, to save the work. So all you have to do is just when you are done, you tap on it. You tap on it. It will save. All right. So this is just a basic way to design. These things is the more you use it, the more you become conversant with it. All right. So I taught on how to insert picture, how to insert a header, how to insert a subheader, and how to write a small write-up, how to use shapes, which is these circles, how to use lines. We broke these lines down here. We broke it. We can still make it whole again. Okay, this is the weight of the lines. You can increase the weight. You can reduce the weight. All right, this is the width. Then style. We can make it whole again. We can break it like this. We can break it like this. All right, depending on what you want. So I've shown you how to insert picture, how to insert all this. So these are the major things you do. Then in the next video, I'll show you how to take a template that already have what you want to design and just edit the write-up there. All right, this one has been saved. All right, that will be the end of this.